guys, today on this episode of Will It Burn, I'm going to be doing poplar. Poplar is great because it's a nice semi-hard wood just like oak, but unlike oak, it has some wonderful green hues that lace throughout the grain. So I'm curious to see how that's going to work out in the Shou Sugi bond process. Without further ado, let's get started. That doesn't look too bad. Kind of bowed a little bit. Get some decent waves in there. Gonna put a coat of boiled linseed oil on this, and we're gonna compare it to some non-processed pieces. Okay, so what I have here on my super sophisticated wood highlighter, or aka a piece of white paper, are my three normal comparisons of the wood. One, the unfinished wood here, unfinished poplar, just sand it a little bit. We have normal poplar that I just sanded with some 220 and a little bit of boiled linseed oil, and then the Shou Sugi bond with boiled linseed oil. So as you can see with the normal unfinished, let me focus in on here. Hopefully you guys can see all that. It's pretty light. You can see it has some pretty big waves in the grain. They're spaced pretty far apart. So, but it's still pretty. You can still kind of pick up those green hues on the side, especially in the end grain. You can see it like a lot. I can focus in on that. There we go. So there's that with the boiled linseed oil. Kind of brings it out a little bit more, as boiled linseed tends to do. A little bit nicer. And these are just some scrap pieces from my katana build in the last episode. And as you can see with the Shou Sugi bond piece, it bowed it a little bit. There was some warpage. I think it's just from the the water content in it. When you burn it, the water will dissipate and it'll tend to warp. With the change in moisture, with the rapid heating and cooling, you'll get that effect. So if you don't have like a solid hardwood, it'll warp. But it gives it a nice black finish like traditional Shou Sugi bond does. And this is just brushing it off lightly. You can see at the back. That's the comparison. Went down pretty deep. I'd say about 1 millimeter or 2. Supposed to get at least 2 millimeters to achieve the proper effect. Let it cool down all the way. But it has some good waves in there. It gives I'd say a decent effect. Not nothing too spectacular, but that's what these experiments are for, to see how these woods react. And I mess them up so that you potentially don't have to. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And hit the bell notification to be notified for all my new and latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.